Congratulations on developing and deployment of the app. Now it's time to understand how you can change the design, and without deploying the app, you can directly send the design into the app. So this is done with the OTA update. So here what we can do is we can go back to designer tab, and let me switch to English only. And let's suppose we want to change the theme to professional dark. And to view this in real time, you need to again go back and scan the QR in the preview so that you can see what you are doing the changes. But I'm just demonstrating. You can do any changes inside this designer tab. Suppose I want to go into product card and remove this and show quantity different from add to cart directly. Okay, and let's go back and start deployment. Okay, since I changed the theme, and I can also text change, like go to scrolling text and add welcome to my app. Okay, and there are many changes you can do. It's up to you, but for demonstration of this how OTA works, I'm just doing few little changes. Let's go back to build, go inside that build. Please go inside the OTA update. Here you can see I've changed colors and all the changes which is done here. I'll just skip up change theme color. You can change anything. You can write any message. It's not needed very much, but it's for you. So I'll just push the update. Okay, update has been dispatched. Here you can see it's updating. 5 to 10 minutes. It could take around 5 to 10 minutes. And now you can see app instantly updated to dark theme. And you can see everything is now in dark mode. Okay, so yeah, this is how OTA update works. Thank you for watching this video.